Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's J Styles here, and today we are going to be doing a color. We're going to be doing like a highlight and a tint between, just refresh, and then we are also going to be so basically we're going to be blending them to her extensions, but we're going to be adding the extensions today as well. So she came in with extensions as usual. We take them out, I put new tapes, and then we went ahead and started her color, and then we're gonna reapply them. So here we are. We just started, did a few highlights, and then we're gonna just add some low light into her hair. As you can see, it's looking kind of like a red brown. She did put like a color over it in between because it had been a while before she needed to be done again. So she went in with the color herself. I know, but we were able to fix it and just kind of make everything blend right into the extensions. At the end of the service, everything worked out well. So here we are. We're just gonna go ahead and continue working up the head in a brick laid pattern until we get all the way around the head. And here are the results of that. We are going to be rinsing her out as well. And so guys, I just want to say that I love my client. This is my sis, and she's been through so much. She was thinking that this was going to be the last service that she'd be able to get her extensions. She did battle with cancer, and she's okay with me talking about it on this video, but God is good. He is victorious, and she just whooped cancer's butt, you guys. So we are super excited. She didn't lose her hair. She went through her treatments, and she's doing very well now. What a blessing she is, and I'm so excited for her life and for her future. And these are just some of the things that we go through with our clients, guys. They turn into our family, and like I said, this is like my sis, so I'm super happy and proud of her. She's so strong and just a survivor, and I'm very grateful to have her in my life. So we're going to go ahead and rinse her out. And honestly, when I rinse out, if I'm doing a highlight and a tint between, I will rinse out the color first as best as I possibly can, leaving the foils in, and then I will start to remove the foils, and then I will use like a cooler setting just to make sure that nothing bleeds on the lighter color. Then I will be toning her, washing her, and then conditioning as well. So here she is. We've dried her hair already, and we're going to go ahead and begin adding her extensions. And she does get tape-ins, so these actually last quite a while. She probably keeps them in for about a month, I would say, before we actually move them up on her head. Sometimes we do the color service, sometimes we don't. It just depends on what she needs at the time. So as you can see, I'm pulling the perimeter out. I like to stick with about an inch of perimeter around the hair wherever I'm going to do the extension. So this way, when she pulls her hair up, she can put it in a ponytail. It's not going to show her extensions. And I also like to work at diagonals so that it will actually go into a ponytail really well, and it will fall really nicely as well, and give a little bit of movement. Even though it is tape-ins, it can still look really pretty and be very easy to work with, very easy to style. And she just loves her extensions. They make her feel brand new, and I love them for her as well. This is 100% human hair as well. I will go ahead and drop a link to where she gets her extensions. There is a company called Goo Goo Hair on Amazon. They are also on TikTok as well. They have great reviews, and I've used their hair a bunch of times. I actually use their extensions for myself as well. So they actually are very good quality hair at an affordable price. So if you guys are in the market for some extensions, I believe they do tons of different textures, colors, and also they do wefts. They do the butterfly wefts. They do eye tips, keratin tips, the tape-ins. They do all the different type of extensions. It's just a good company. I really like them, especially if you need an affordable set of extensions that are going to last you. Other than that, of course, I would recommend Bellamy. They're the more expensive side. They are a little bit thicker in the grams when it comes down to it. And if you know a beauty professional, you might be able to get them to help you out with a deal on those extensions as well. So it just really depends. Those are two options that are good. You can look into them, do your research if you're in the market for extensions. If you guys do need to book an appointment, you guys can go ahead and log on to Jstylezbyjanette.square.site. is my new booking website. It's super easy to book, takes you no more than 2 minutes to schedule your appointment, and I do have bookings available always. So you guys go ahead and jump on there and schedule your appointments if you are in my area. If not, I do travel as well for a fee. However, it's not a huge fee, but you understand travel. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and speed a little bit through this part as I go ahead and continue to lay down these tape-ins. Let's get a bit interactive on here. If you guys have a company that you like to go to for your extensions, drop a comment down below or drop a link, and maybe I'll try them on my next model. Now with tape-ins, as soon as I finish one of my rows, I'm going to go ahead and make sure they're clamped nice and tight. And then I'm going to grab my flat iron and I'm going to go ahead and just heat up that glue on the tape-ins just a little bit. And this really helps it to stick. And I'll actually go back over and re-clamp again. So this is the final results. What do you guys think? This is 24 inches. I did about 4 rows on her in a brick lay pattern, all the way up as far as we can get them on her scalp. I don't like them to show at all. So I really love the way these came out. Look at the shine on these, super beautiful. They match perfectly with her color. And as you can see, these came out so beautiful. If you guys took anything away from this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or at least do one. And thanks for all your support, guys. Bye.